back to College Kitchen.
Today we are giving you a flour tortilla pizza recipe. So if you have never made a tortilla pizza, stick around because it's one of the easiest and best tasting pizzas you'll ever have.
We're sticking to our pizza theme this month, and so we thought we'd teach you the easiest pizza recipe out there, which is a tortilla pizza.
Yeah. Tortilla
Pizza.
If you like this pizza video, you can check out our other videos in our pizza series by clicking the link up here. And you can also hit the subscribe button down there and the bell notification so you'll know when all of our new videos drop, which is pretty much every Friday, because Fridays are the best day of the week.
Heck yeah.
All right, let's get started on our tortilla pizza. Keep in mind that we're going to be making a regular size tortilla and a mini tortilla. One's gonna be vegetarian and one is going to be all meat. You choose your own toppings at home.
There you go.
That didn't take long at all. About 15 minutes in the oven and we are ready to taste.
It smells so good.
I know, this veggie one especially, like the peppers.
Oh, it smells delicious.
Literally, it's just filling the kitchen.
I love
Not
peppers.
feeling the kitchen. Filling.
Feeling that kitchen.
I have a really hard time saying those two words. I don't know why.
Time to eat.
Let's do it. I can't wait.
I'm eating this one
All right,
first.
okay, I'll taste this one. This is the all meat. Right here, we've got bacon and pepperoni.
This is the veggie with the spinach and peppers.
Yummy. Okay, let's go.
This is so good.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Oh, Robin just dropped some. If you have not tried tortilla pizza and you've got 20 minutes, because it takes 15 to cook, probably not even 5 to put it together. So fast. You need to have these.
Make sure and stay tuned into our channel. Look out for our next video. It's going to be on how to make easy calzones.
Yeah, homemade, delicious, yum. And that's gonna round out our pizza series. But if you wanna know another really fast, delicious way to make a pizza, check out our mug pizza video that we have right here. You can click that link above. Make sure and give us a thumbs up and share this video with all of your friends.
Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Chef Robin is in the house.